cross product or vector product. So obviously cross product will give us a vector, definitely. So suppose we have two vectors A and B. So cross product of A cross B is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and angle, sine of angle between them. So sine theta, sine of angle between two vectors can be obtained by taking cross product of the vectors divided by magnitude of. Okay. Projection of vector A on vector B. So this will be dot B upon projection of B on A equals to A dot B on A. One more thing. If a vector say C vector is perpendicular to given vectors A and B, then C vector is cross product of AB. Okay? And how do we find the cross product? The $1 million question. Suppose we have vector A equals to A1I cap, B1J cap, B1K cap, and B vector is A2I cap plus B2J cap plus C2 cap. Then A cross B equals to, the simplest approach of finding cross product of two vectors is taking determinant with the coefficients of ijk. Okay, so this will be the cross product of two above two vectors A and B.
Yes, sir.
So let us do some questions. We have exercise 10.4. Question 1. Exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Find A cross B, magnitude of A cross B. A vector equals to I cap minus 7J cap plus 7K cap. And B vector is 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. And we have to find magnitude of A cross B. First find A cross B. So A cross B, we have to find magnitude of A cross B. Okay.
Mm.
So first find cross product or vector product of A and B. So A cross B is what? Determinant of I, J, K, 1 minus 7, 7, 3 minus 2, 2.
So you get 0 I cap plus 19 J cap minus 19 J cap.
0 I cap? No, no. I, J, K is the coefficient that we take for the vectors. But yeah, okay, you are asking something else, I think. Yeah, I cross J is minus K. Sorry, I cross J is K. J cross K is I. And K cross I is J. If this is in cyclic order, then the cross product of those are the corresponding vector. Vector. But if we take I cross I, that means 0, J cross J equals to 0, and K cross K equals to 0. We have I cross I, J cross J, K cross K equals to 0. And I cross J equals to K, K, J cross K, I. That should be in cyclic order. That should we take it into account. Okay. J cross K, I, and K cross I equals to J. But J cross I is what? Minus K. If we change the order, then negative sign will be introduced. K cross J equals to minus I, and I cross K equals to minus J. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So if we take the determinant, then simply we will get the answer. We need not to think of this. So we have minus 7 into 2 minus 14, minus 14 and plus 14 I cap plus, if we take J, then 7 3 are 21 minus 2, 19 J cap, and K, so we have minus 2 and plus 21. So that will be 19 K cap.
Mm.
So this is 0. So simply 19 J cap plus 19 K cap. And the magnitude of these two vectors, cross product of these two vectors, that is A cross B magnitude equal to 19 square plus 19 square root. So 19 root 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question 2. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B and A minus B. So A and B are the vectors given. A vector, question number 2 is there. A vector is Bi cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. B vector is I plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. A unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. A plus B is 4I cap plus 4j cap. Okay. And A minus B is what? 2I cap and 2 minus 2, 0 and plus 4k cap. And a vector perpendicular to T2, these two given vectors. So, let be perpendicular to 1 and 2. Then C equals to what? C equals to cross product of plus B and A minus B. C vector will be cross product of A plus B and A minus B. Now we have to find the unit vector perpendicular to it. So C cap equals to C upon magnitude of C. So first we have to find C vector. C vector equals to A plus B cross product with A minus B. And that is I, J, A, and 4,
4,
4, 0
0.
and 2, 0, 4.
Yes, sir.
I cap. If you take J, then we have
Minus 16 J cap.
16 J cap and K.
So minus 16 J cap, right?
Minus 16 how it is? Yes, minus 16. Minus 16. And for K cap, we have 0 minus
Minus
8. Minus 8 K cap. And finding magnitude of C. So we have a vector perpendicular to Unit vector perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b will be c upon 16 I cap minus 16 j cap plus 8 k cap. Is it?
Yes, sir.
This will be 2 by 3
So minus 8k cap.
okay, minus 8. This is minus. This should be the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, unit vector A makes angles pi by 3, pi by 4, and j, and an acute angle theta. Then find theta and hence the component of A. So if a unit vector A makes angles pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and theta with k, right? So here we have a relation L square plus m square plus n square equals to 1, which means cos square alpha cos square beta plus element are direction cosine.
Yeah.
So cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 4 plus cos square theta. 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square plus cos square theta 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta 1. So this will be cos square theta equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus I think 3
So
by
you get theta is pi by 3.
cos theta 1 by 2. So theta equals to pi by.
Pi by 3.
So in fourth question, we have to just
So
find
they
the
will also told us to find components of k.
so components of A are what? Components of A are 1 by 2 cos pi by 3, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
That is called scalar components.
Hmm.
5. Find lambda and mu if cross product is a zero vector. Okay. 5. 2 I cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross pair that with I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap equals to 0 vector. So we have to find the cross product first.
And each of the components should be 0, no, sir?
So we have 6 mu minus
Minus
27
27 lambda.
I cap and
Minus
27
j cap
plus 27 minus 2 j cap.
plus 2 lambda minus 6 p cap.
To 0 I cap 0 j cap plus 0.
0.
So simply equating 6 mu minus 27 lambda. 27 minus 2 mu equals to 0. And 2 lambda minus 6 equals to-
Minus 6.
From here lambda equals to 3.
3.
Yeah,
And mu equal to 27 by 2.
2 mu equals to 27, mu equals to 2. So these are the two values that we got. Today we shall end up session right here. So we have done a lot and